Glasses.
Albert?
No, that's Matthew. And Steffi's feet. We'll have to delete this picture. Cindy. That's you. That's Cindy. That's you. I'm sorry. Mommy. Mommy. I'm not going to tell you what that is right now. Cindy. Who's that? Matthew. A truck. Very good. Fire truck. Can you say fire truck? Next page. What's that? Your school bag. A truck. I cut off Cindy. What's that? Daddy. Matthew. Mommy. Kuzma. Your hair is so fast. I can't go that fast. Next. What's that? Your school bag. That's a truck. Look. You see Mommy's feet? No, that's your bike. Who's that? That's Matthew. Sorry. Matthew. Who's that? Kitty cat. That's Tiger.
Tiger.
No, I'll turn the page. Sorry. Who's that? Say Mommy. I turn the picture. No, over here. Look. Who's that? So, look, it's K-Rod in my picture.
Oh, God.
Who's that? Matthew's belly. Belly. That's you and Kitty Smokey. Here, look. A fuzzy wuzzy picture. I can't see. My turn. Look. Kitty cat.